Hey everyone, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. I had a pre-uploaded video or a pre-filmed video that I just needed to really hit publish on, and it's just been so busy and crazy with school. I'm really enjoying myself, but like I said, it's been busy, and then in my free time I've been trying to hang out with friends and get to know people, so I apologize about that, but I'm wearing the Emily Makeup Revolution Emily Noel, the MOTT palette, and then for my lips I'm wearing the Balm Matte Hughes in Reliable. Emily Noel also just hit 1 million, which is amazing. A long time coming. I mean, I think she should have 10 million. She's like my favorite beauty YouTuber, but anyway, I talk about her all the time. Just think that's really exciting. So anyway, here's my late, I guess as I'm filming, it is still the last day of September, so but yeah, this is just going to be my Ipsy and Sephora Play battle of the boxes or bags. I do have a new filming setup. Just my big tripod wasn't really working, and I'm not really using my ring light right now. So I just got this tabletop tripod, which is really handy and nice. So tell me if you like the setup. I mean, I probably want it a little further back and then a little more zoomed in. But, you know, it's the first time I'm using it, so let me know your thoughts. But it is nice because I'm not filming sideways now, and good lighting here. But anyway, start with Ipsy. I'm not even, like, gonna go into last month's products because I really don't think, well, let's look, but I don't think I've used any. So in August, we got the Pixie by Petra Face Blush in Beach Rose. I actually did think I used that. It was nice. I mean, wasn't amazing. Didn't fall in love with it, but it was nice. The MAC False Lashes Mascara in Extreme Black. I don't think I've used that yet, but I've used it before. I don't like MAC mascaras. The next is the Crown Brush Blush Highlighting Brush. Wow, I actually did use that too. It's okay. Nothing special. The Orbe Hair Care Matte Waves. I did not use that one because I'm not wearing my hair wavy these days. And then the Hey Honey mask. I didn't use that yet. Maybe I'll use it tonight though. I do want to do a mask tonight. But anyway, here's September. I love this bag. I'm obsessed. Anyone who knows me, I have literally like eyelashes just everywhere. Like as a design, I have it on a ton of clothes and things like that, which I didn't think it was weird, but I guess it's weird. I don't know. I love it. So this is just so cute to me. I love the black and gold and then just like the white eyelashes. It's amazing. It's one of my favorite bags that we've gotten in a while. Oh, and then I like how it's pink on the inside and it says rules were made to be broken. Don't know if I agree, but sure. Maybe makeup rules. Okay, then this is the HEMPZ. Oh, and I just heard about this recently. This is at like TJ Maxx. You can find this at, and I think you can also get it at Ulta, I'm pretty sure. But it's the HEMPZ Pure Herbal Extracts Triple Moisture Herbal Whipped Body Cream. All the moisture, 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. Gosh, I can't speak. Paraben free, gluten free, 100% vegan, THC free because it's hemp. So they just want to let you know this does not have marijuana in it. Oh my god. Oh, this smells so good. This reminds me of something. It's like a very like fruity scent. Oh my god, what is that? Something from my childhood. Oh, this is so weird. Maybe like another lotion or a hair care product. Wow, that's so reminiscent. I feel like my cousin would know what that smells like, but that's exciting. Love the smell. This literally couldn't care about. They're doing their whole shopper thing with like cash back lately. They're trying to push that. Another brush. I feel like I get a brush every month, and I have so many. Oh, but this is the LUXIE 140 Detailed Tapered Blender. It is very sharp. I guess it'd be good for the nose and like inside the eye. I mean, it's super soft, and I do like the kind of the rose gold and gray. I feel like you don't see gray that much. So that's nice. Okay, next thing is this MPRINCESS eyeshadow Pretty Petal. Yeah, it's MPRINCESS. I haven't heard of that brand before. So let me see if I can swatch this. Okay, I don't want this to go everywhere, but I hope you can see that color. It's really pretty, actually. I just don't feel like dealing with that stopper, sorry. And then we have two more things. We have the Thank Me Later Mattifying Face Primer by Elizabeth Mott. We had quite a few Elizabeth Mott stuff, but it's pretty cool. I don't necessarily need a mattifying face primer, especially now that we're going into winter. My skin's getting drier here, but I'm sure some people love that. And then, oh my gosh, whoa, Hourglass, hello. I was not expecting this. Okay. Oh, this is the Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. I feel like this is a newer mascara that they like just came out with. Hello, Hourglass and Ipsy. What are you doing here? So glad you're here. I love the kind of triangular packaging. I did kind of just finish mascara and I'm just using the Too Faced Better Than Sex, but some days I like it, some days I don't, and it smudges on me, so I will definitely be cracking into this. Just hello, Hourglass. I'm so excited. That's amazing. So probably the things I'm most excited about, sorry, my nose is itchy, that pigment is a really nice color, but I don't love pigments. This I'm over the moon about. This I love specifically because it has that scent that's reminding me of something. And then I like the brush too, and I'm obsessed with the bag, so I think this is a really good month for me. Okay, now on to Sephora Play. Last month in August's box, we got the NARS Pro Prime Smudge Proof eyeshadow primer. Not potion, but eyeshadow primer. I love that stuff. Maybe I did use it once, like this new one, but just in general, I do know that I like that. That's one of the ones that I don't necessarily need to use my MAC paint pot with. I can just get away with using that one, so that's nice. I did have a smaller sample and it dried out, so I think that you're better off with like a slightly bigger tube. The next was the Moroccan Oil Dry Texture Spray. I did use that because I did need a little texture when I was going out one night. My hair was looking flat. Now, I don't know if I just sprayed it too close. That could definitely be it, or if it's the product, but it kind of made my hair like wet and like kind of chunky. So I don't love that. Maybe I had to spray it from further away, and like I did kind of work it through, but it just gave me that like wet look, kind of like greasy wet look, which I didn't love. Granted, you kind of do it underneath, and then it did give me that volume, which is nice, but I would love to get that volume without that kind of negative side effect. The next was the Amika Velveteen Dream. I didn't use that because it was a foil packet, so I'm just waiting for when I'd actually need to use that. Next was the Grande Cosmetics Grande Lips Hydrating Clear Gloss. I did not use that either. Maybe I wore it like for a second. Clear glosses, I don't use them too much, but it's always nice to have one, I guess. Now, the Ciate London Glow 2 Highlighter in Moondust, I love. It's funny because I know pale skin, you're supposed to wear those like kind of pinky highlights and they're supposed to be flattering. For me, pink highlights aren't all the time flattering. I think because I already have a lot of pink in my skin and it kind of brings out that redness, but I am obsessed with this highlighter. Oh my god, like obsessed. I wore it, and just the formula in itself, which I had heard good things about the formula, but I have so many highlighters. I don't need to necessarily go out and buy one myself, even though I will, but I am obsessed with that highlighter. Have I said that enough? I love it. The color is gorgeous. The formula just blends into the skin, but is very like impactful. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with that. That was definitely my favorite thing in the box last time. And then I got the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. I haven't used that yet, but I actually should because my skin is super dry. I need to find out where I put that, and I think I just see where I put it. I'm still trying to organize all my makeup here. I have so much. I need to do just some decluttering videos, so that'll be up next. But anyway, let's get into this month's. I did see, like, I don't know if I'm crazy. Yeah, it says shop in store or online. So now you should be able to get, like, redeem this online, right? Or am I crazy? I thought I heard that last semester. Oh my god, school's on my mind. Last month, but then I only saw it online. It says, okay, so I was right. You can either use this in store, but the problem is especially here, I don't have a Sephora near me. Just funny, I have more Ultas than Sephora's, and then at home it's reverse. So I never like end up using these, but you can actually redeem these online now. It says from September 15th, because that's probably the time it's getting shipped to you, to October 31st. So that's awesome. I will definitely be using this. But I think you probably have to use it in the promo codes, and you couldn't get a promo code. I could just make 2 orders and use this in one, the other in another, because I get free 2-day shipping, so that's not a huge deal for me. So it's really nice that you can use those online now. I don't see why you couldn't have before. So I'm really excited about that change. Sephora is really trying to up their game, which I like, I'm impressed with, because yeah, They still aren't on the level of Ulta with their rewards, but they're getting there. So anyway, now this says IRL. Like, I guess that's the theme. So here is the bag. I don't love this. This is very, like, doesn't seem reusable in my opinion. Opens bag, pours out samples, high fives self. I don't know. I don't love the bag. So compared to Ipsy, Ipsy one just like on the bag itself, not necessarily the products. Let's get into the products. The first thing I see, sorry, my nose is like super itchy. I was shopping at Target, and this Target here is not the best. From someone who worked at a Target, might be a little biased for mine. Mine was really great. But this one here, I'm just really not impressed. And I was like smelling things, and there's so much dust, so now I'm just gonna have allergies the rest of the day. But anyway, this is the Sephora LashCraft Big Volume Mascara. I feel like I've had this before, but maybe it was a different one. So it's cool. I love Sephora brand stuff, and I like to see them offering it in their bags because it is their bag, you know? So let's see here. Buildable break. Oh, so this is Next Gen Beauty. So this innovative batch of beauty, exactly what you need to be a trendsetter this season. How's mascara trendy? Whatever. Says buildable breakthrough full volume mascara with a buildable formula that coats lashes in intense black color. Cool. Yeah, I don't understand how that's innovative, but whatever. Okay, the perfume sample is Tom Ford Black Orchid. Let's spray this. That's very like, whew, that's strong. Not my typical scent. Oh boy, it's giving me a headache. I should have done that. At least my window's open a little bit, but whew, that is intense. Now that it's settling down, it smells a little better, but it says Floral the Win, like for the win. Dark accords and a mix of black orchids and spice make this rich, sensual fragrance both modern and timeless. It is a good scent for the fall time. It says fragrance family floral, top notes black truffle, fresh bergamot, middle orchid and lotus, and base sandalwood and patchouli. Ooh, that is very like deep. The more it sits though, the more I like it. Next in here is the Peter Thomas Roth Hungarian Thermal Water Mineral Rich Atomic Heat Mask. That's cool. Now that sounds innovative. So it says heat of the moment. So a powerful heat mask that uses Hungarian thermal water to nurture skin. So this water hydrates skin and infuses it with vital nutrients to visibly reduce the look of fine lines, wrinkles, dullness, and uneven skin tone. Cool. That sounds interesting. Next thing in here, there's a lot of like, I wish there was more not more mascara, more makeup than skincare, but I don't know, that's Sephora seems to be more skincare focused, which is interesting. Maybe they're trying to push that because we all love them for their makeup and they want us to like branch out. But anyway, this is the Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. That's interesting. It says glow with the flow. A weightless oil-free water jelly that cares for skin's moisture barrier and protects it from pollutants. So it locks in the good moisture and shield from the bad pollutants. The fast-absorbing non-sticky formula leaves skin feeling hydrated, fresh, and smooth. Interesting. So it's a moisturizer, but it doesn't have SPF, but it's supposed to protect your skin. Interesting. Okay. And let's see. Ooh, that bag is very, very noisy. Okay, the last two things. The Stellar Brilliant Primer. Why do I feel like I just saw this? Do I have this? Hold on. Yes, I totally have this, and I don't know where I got it from. It must have been a sample from Sephora. So that's like hilarious, the same thing. So I'm going to put this aside. Maybe I'll love it. I haven't used it yet. So I'll try it. Maybe I'll love it and want both of these. If not, I'll pass it on to someone else. I'll probably pass it on to my brother's girlfriend. She's like my go-to these days to giving away makeup to, and she really likes primers. I don't know if this is the silicone one, but shout out to her. I'll probably be giving this to her. Ooh, it looks like very radiant though on the little swatch on here. That's kind of nice. It says a super, let it silk in. Ooh, okay. A super lightweight primer that hydrates skin and preps it for makeup application. So it's an illuminating primer, goes on silky smooth and gently absorbs into skin, blurring imperfections for seamless makeup application. Plus it provides a boost of moisture with nurturing essential oils and extracts. Awesome. It's exciting. And then the last thing, I've been loving nude sticks. I really want one of their sets. It was like a collaboration, and I saw someone review it and love it, but it's still like sold out in Sephora, so I really hope they come back with it, they restock it. I really want that. And then I just purchased the rose color, so I was like, oh my god, hopefully this isn't rose, but it isn't. It is the Nude Sticks Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil in Kiss. Dual purpose matte color pencil and a rosy hue that works for lips and cheeks. Oh my god, wow. This, it's supposed to last for 6 hours without feathering or drying. This went on super smooth, and I actually really think, I mean, it sat there for a little bit, but that would look really pretty on the cheeks, and I think I would love it on the lips as well. So the things I'm probably most excited about are this, the primer, that mask is kind of cool, and then, I mean, can't go wrong with Sephora product. So yeah, I mean, I think I love both of the bags this month. I'd probably say, just considering I love the actual bag itself, for Ipsy, and then that Hourglass product, which we could have gotten an Hourglass product in this, but we didn't. So I'd say just for those reasons, I think I like Ipsy one just by a little bit, but I'm satisfied with both of these bags this month. Like I said, I wish Sephora had more makeup rather than skincare. Guys, I just reached my step goal sitting here. So don't know how accurate that is, but I did work out this morning and then I went shopping. But anyway, so yeah, both great bags. I wish Sephora was more makeup themed, but I do like how they've changed this now that you can use these online. They're probably finally listening to customers and feedback, so that's great. So yeah, hopefully you guys will see this the next couple of days, probably the beginning of October, and I hope, I'm planning on uploading or just really publishing a video that I already did have planned. I think I have one or two, and then this one. So hopefully you will be seeing things from me coming out shortly. I hope to be a little more consistent, maybe like film and edit on the weekends, you know, for the one day I'm not doing something or whatever, and then upload those maybe on Mondays. Would you guys like, you know, weekly on Monday and then maybe a bonus video here or there otherwise? Let me know. But anyway, I hope you guys are all doing well, and until next time, bye everyone.